Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to enable two-factor authentication on Etsy. So here's a easy workaround on how you can easily do that. So to do that, go to the Etsy website, which is www.etsy.com, and log in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then after that, you have to select account settings from the drop down menu. Then click security tab on the left side. Then scroll down to two-factor authentication and click the turn on, which is the turn on option. Then choose your preferred two-factor method, which is authentication app like Google Authentication, or you can also use the Auntie or the SMS, which is the SMS text message section. And also follow the prompt to set up your selected method and enter the verification code sent to your phone or shown in your authentication app. And after that, click confirm to activate 2FA, and that's it. 2FA is now turned on for your Etsy account. Adding an extra layers of security is very important and to make sure secure your account, and that's how you can easily now enable two-factor authentication on Etsy. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.